Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new Ancel battery tester. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. So the actual tester itself and the user manual. It does do both 6-volt and 12-volt batteries. So let's go ahead and actually test it out. So we'll go ahead and actually hook it up to our battery here. Alright, so I just got it all hooked up. As you can see, it's powering on. So in the car, it's gonna go ahead and test it. Boom, good battery. See how quick that was? Voltage measured, standard, all the information right there. So you can see, super easy to use, and it does save it as well. As you can see, it also does work with motorcycles and other batteries as well. Cranking test, charging test. You can print it all out. Let's see what this analysis is. Yep, so it looks like the same information. Very cool and simple to use. So if you guys are looking for a new battery tester or cranking tester, charging tester, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all could get yours. Highly recommend.